graders, good morning and happy Friday. Today I want to teach you that there are different types of mechanical weathering. You might remember this from yesterday. I also want to teach you the difference between weathering, erosion, and deposition. So first, you're going to need your science notebook, you're going to need a pencil, and you might want to gather your art materials as well. If you need to grab those things, I'll wait here. All right, welcome back. So yesterday when I had posted the video, for some reason it got really glitchy at the end. And so instead of going through each process and writing out with me, I'm going to show you what your notebook should look like and review it. And then you can press pause and complete it in your own notebook for understanding. All right, so we can see mechanical weathering. You should have that title and the date. Make sure you add that first. We know mechanical weathering is broken up into three main categories: abrasion, ice or frost wedging, and root wedging. Let's start with abrasion. Abrasion is when wind, water, other materials, or forces rub against rock and break it. So you see I have a couple of quick sketches there to remind me of what abrasion is. Pause and add those details now. Great. Next, we have ice and frost wedging. This is when water seeps into cracks, then it freezes and expands. Remember, when water freezes, it actually expands. That's why we can't put like soda, seltzer, or bottles into the freezer. Next, it melts and contracts in the warmer weather. So over time, that creates cracks in rock. Pause now so you can add those details. Finally, we have root wedging, and that's when seedlings fall or grow into cracks in rock. And as the plants grow, the roots also grow, forming large cracks that break the rock over time. Pause now and add those ideas. All right, so you should definitely have these three ideas, a title and the date, on your paper. The next thing that you'll need to do is you can review the Generation Genius video with the idea that you're looking for weathering, erosion, and deposition. And then you need to create a chart almost to teach your family or me what you've learned about weathering, erosion, and deposition. You're drawing and coloring with 4th grade quality. That should take you about 10 to 15 minutes, and you can use this chart like we have in class as a guide. Then you're going to present on Flipgrid. That should take you about 2 minutes. And finally, you're completing the DIY activity with Zoe, which is why you have your sand and rocks. Kara, you had left yours at school, but you could just go gather some like out in the yard, or we'll figure out a way to get you that stuff. All right, if you've watched to the very end, thank you so very much. Have a wonderful day. And the key word today is Fun Friday. So write Fun Friday at the top. Have a great day.